Welcome to the top best. The Best Kids Bookmarks is probably one of the most essential tools for young readers, transforming the simple act of marking a page into an exciting part of their reading adventure, encouraging them to dive back into their favorite stories and discover new worlds without losing their place, making every reading session a delightful journey of exploration and imagination. Number 5. Book Reading Light, 2-pack Silent Touch Book Lamp. Experience personalized lighting with 3 distinct color temperatures and precise brightness control. Save your favorite settings with the memory function, so you can always find your perfect ambience without hassle. Enjoy a minimalist design with intuitive touch controls. Its silent operation ensures you won't disturb anyone around you, making it an ideal companion for late-night reading. Charge it anywhere with the built-in USB port. A single charge provides hours of uninterrupted reading, so you can stay immersed in your stories. Adjust the light to any angle with its versatile head and clip. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for travel or simply moving around your home. This makes an excellent gift for any avid reader. It's thoughtfully designed and comes ready to impress, ensuring a delightful experience for kids and adults alike. We stand by the quality of our product. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you with instructional videos and solutions. What we like. If you're a night owl or share a bed, this is for you. Its silent touch control and adjustable amber light won't disturb your partner. Choose this if you need a customizable, non-disruptive reading experience. What people say. These bookmarks are a great way to encourage reading in children. The designs are colorful and engaging, making them appealing to kids. They are made of durable material that can withstand frequent use. Number 4. Juvale, color your own bookmarks for kids. Looking for a fun way to make reading even more exciting? Get ready to personalize your reading journey with our creative bookmark kit. It's designed to spark imagination and make every page turn a colorful adventure. Dive into a world of creativity with these delightful bookmarks. Featuring charming designs, they offer hours of entertainment for young artists. Let their imaginations run wild as they bring these pages to life. Crafted from high-quality, sturdy cardstock, these bookmarks are made to withstand enthusiastic coloring. Use your favorite markers and pencils without any worry. They're durable enough for countless reading sessions. These aren't just for marking your place, they're a canvas for self-expression. Perfect for classroom art projects, party favors, or simply adding a personal touch to any book. They transform reading into a hands-on experience. With 24 bookmarks in every set, there are plenty for everyone to join the fun. They're ideal for group activities, library events, or as a special gift for the young bookworms in your life. Encourage a lifelong love of reading and art. What we like. For the creative young reader, this is a fantastic choice. If you're looking for an activity that combines reading with art, these are perfect. They're great for classroom projects or party favors where kids can personalize their own reading tools. What people say. These bookmarks are a great size for kids and come in a variety of fun designs that kids will love. The bookmarks are made of durable material and are thick enough to withstand regular use. They are perfect for encouraging reading and can be used as rewards or party favors. Number 3. Chinco Vivid Animal Inspirational Bookmark Set. Never lose your place again with this set of 120 vibrant bookmarks. They are designed to enhance your reading experience and keep your pages marked. Choose from 5 delightful styles, including cats, dogs, and galaxies, each with unique designs. These will help you easily track your progress in any book or note. Surprise your kids, students, or any reading enthusiast with these fun and practical gifts. They make a meaningful present that is sure to bring a smile. Adorn your books with charming patterns featuring stars, wild animals, birds, cats, and dogs. These lively designs bring a touch of nature and energy to your reading. Measuring 2.25 by 6.5 inches, these bookmarks are perfectly sized for all your books. They are not only functional but also add a cute and attractive touch to your pages. Crafted from quality paper cards, these bookmarks are built to last. They are safe, reliable, and resistant to tearing and deforming, ensuring long-term use. What we like. If you need a large quantity of engaging bookmarks, this set is ideal. For teachers looking for rewards or parents wanting to encourage reading with fun designs, these offer great value and variety. They're perfect for anyone who appreciates a touch of personality in their reading accessories. What people say. These bookmarks are made of high-quality paper and are durable. The designs are cute and colorful, and the kids love them. They are the perfect size for most books and are easy to use. Number 2. Outus DIY Inspirational Coloring Bookmarks. Discover a unique way to express yourself with our blank bookmarks. They come with inspiring quotes and fun patterns, ready for your personal touch. These are perfect for anyone who loves to read. Use them at home, in the office, or at the library to mark your page in style. Crafted from high-quality, thick paper, these bookmarks are built to last. They won't easily fade or bend, ensuring they stay with you for a long time. Measuring about 5.5 by 2 inches, they fit perfectly in most books. They are lightweight and easy to carry wherever you go. With 108 pieces in total, you'll have plenty to share. They come in various designs and include ropes, offering great value and endless possibilities. Get creative. These can also be used as hang tags or gift tags. Add a personal flair to any occasion. What we like. This option is perfect for those who love to add their personal touch. If you're looking for a way to make reading even more engaging, especially for kids or as a group activity, these blank, inspirational bookmarks are a great fit. They also double as hang tags for a versatile craft supply. What people say. The bookmarks are made of good quality paper and are very durable. They are colorful and have cute designs that kids will love. The size is perfect for most books and they don't fall out easily. Number 1. Gersoniel 36 pieces fruit-scented bookmarks. Get a bulk pack of 36 fruit-scented bookmarks, perfect for any reader. With 12 fun styles and scents, there's something for everyone. Made from high-quality coated paper, these bookmarks are built to last. They feature bright colors and inspiring words that won't easily fade. Explore a variety of 12 fruit scents and styles, including popular choices like strawberry, banana, and cherry. They're sure to be a hit with kids. These summer fruit bookmarks come with 12 different fragrances and cute characters. They're designed to make reading even more enjoyable. Use them as reading aids, classroom prizes, or teaching rewards. They're also great for collecting, offering a versatile and practical solution. These fun and fragrant bookmarks are ideal for students, teens, and anyone who loves books and yummy scents. They make great gifts for any occasion. What we like. If you want to add a sensory element to reading, these are a fun choice. For kids who need an extra incentive to pick up a book, or for teachers seeking unique classroom prizes, these scented bookmarks are a delightful option. They bring a playful and aromatic twist to the reading experience. What people say. These bookmarks are made of durable cardstock and feature vibrant, engaging designs that kids love. The size is perfect for most books, and they are sturdy enough to withstand frequent use. Each bookmark has a unique illustration, making them a fun and educational tool for young readers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.